In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you get when you join the AI Factory free. First thing we're going to do is head to BizRise.io. We're going to do that by clicking on the assist here. First of all, why should you join this community and why should you join me? I'll show you exactly how to make money on a platform called School, which you're watching this video on right now. And the goal is to help you get your first 10 paying community members within your first 30 days. There are communities making over $50, $100, $150,000 a month. Inside the AI Factory, I will show you the exact process we use to grow and scale multiple businesses online. We'll give you a free AI-powered community planner so you can follow these step-by-step directions to set up your community. And that's just the start. From there, we'll teach you how to turn them into Vertex AI agents to be assistants for you. And we'll teach you how to develop AI into a process to really maximize your community and set up a scalable business for your future. Let's get started. The first thing we got to do is come down here and click on Start Community Assist. What that's going to do is take us to a screen where we can name our community. The first thing getting started, we're going to name this one Hank's Personal Training. Hank's going to be our assistant along the road, and when you see these start walkthrough buttons, make sure click on them if you're confused on what to do on the page. A walkthrough is a really good way to set up just your page previews and help your users follow along. So after we name our community, let's click on Start Assist. Always, we got to have some gamification. Now what we got to do for the first step is establish our target market. We got to understand who we're going to be approaching with our community. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with 3 of your skills, passions, or hobbies and go from there. So with Hank, for the example, we'll put in working out, don't mind my spelling, coaching, and we'll put in eating healthy. Hank's a personal trainer and he wants to expand his business by creating an online community. So let's get that target market set with the power of AI. We're going to hit generate target market. And what's going on right now is we're taking those 3 interests, giving them to Gemini and saying, hey, let's develop a target market for this community to get started. When you see the stars rocking, AI is doing its thing, just be patient. Okay, from there, make sure you review your target market, and it's also going to give you a niche. Get more specific in what you're doing to really find that target community that you want to use to grow and monetize your own school community. Okay, so make sure you review, check it out. For this demonstration, I'm just going to come down to the bottom and I'm going to click Save. Okay, as we're going, you want to create that gamification, right? It is something they teach in school for free. When we get to this page, what are we doing here? Well, it's an identify problem page, but what that's meant to do is kind of help you figure out a way to create opportunities within your niche for that specific problem. So let's say working out. I know for myself, I have a lack of accountability when it comes to going to the gym sometimes. And we're going to go access to training programs, and then we'll go some people would work out from home. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see what Gemini can turn these into as far as opportunities to create a school around our interests and hobbies. Okay, so we'll click on save problems here, and same thing, when the stars are rocking, Gemini is doing its work. We want to keep those notifications coming up so people can kind of see progress. All right, so now we have many individuals struggle to stay motivated, so it's going to give us a little bit of a setup there, and we're going to click save as well. The next step to setting up your school communities is to put in a few channels or YouTube courses or YouTube channels, online courses that you like that have helped you along the way. For example, Hank likes big dogs, gains, and Pilates or pirates. These are all made up names. Now, if they are in existence, hey, Hank likes your channel, all right? Heavy iron. So we're going to make sure and save those channels because sometimes you need a little bit of inspiration of what's working well. Okay, we'll click on save channels, and again, you want to have that gamification rolling. Keep people moving. So what are you doing well and what's going to be improved? Like, how are you going to expand your course, gain your community, right? You got to know what's working well. So we're going to put in video tutorials, and then we'll put in free community. Join the AI Factory. It's where we're going to teach all this. And webinars, okay? Online has been a great place to share and teach people about what we're doing and how to optimize AI in a process to make it effective for what they do. Let's click on Save What Works, and we're moving on to the next step. This is going to be an optimized process to really help you get going with your own community. So we got what's working, and we're going to save those into the system. We're getting a lot of AI-powered planning out of this. All you're going to have to do is go execute, okay? And value add. What can we bring to the table that's different? One-on-one virtual sessions. We can do a free meal planner. And it's all about that eating healthy, baby. And live stream workouts for those at home. And again, we'll just come down and click save. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take all of the information we've set up, target market, niche, opportunities, channels, value add, like what's working well. And we're going to generate the rest of the course outline. So we're going to have enough information here to really give Gemini some power to give you a lot more. So what we'll do is click on generate here. Now be a little patient with this step. This step is going to take a minute. We're sending it off to Gemini with all of that information we just compiled for your community, and it's going to give you an AI-powered framework to set up those successful steps for what you need to do. It's going to give you a course outline, description. You're going to get a lot of information from this. So make sure you edit it, save it for what you want, because the next step we're going to do from this is we're going to take all of this information and turn it into AI assistants to help you grow your business. These are all free platforms and tools to check out. Where we're going to do the AI agents is called Google Vertex AI. They have some incredible stuff. And why I chose those search and conversation agents is because they can be really effective for your business. It's amazing what they can do. So let's check out what we have. We have our target market set. Niche selection is good to go. We have it defined. Problem solvers. What's working well? We have our value add. What are we going to give away for free? Mine is this community plan to help you get set up. It'll give you some ideas for pricing. Make sure and review those, but always set your own prices. We're going to have a way to create a sense of urgency for our community. There needs to be a reason for people to buy, for people to join your community. And if it's the successful steps that's going to make them money online in this creator economy, that's what you want to portray, okay? Let's figure out a way to create a sense of urgency. Let's give away a bonus offer. And then here's your course description. Let's give it an overview. Who's it for? What are the objectives? And a bunch of different modules, all right? We have our course outline at the bottom. Every session, every module. If you just set these up and go execute, you're gonna have a successful online community, generating you money monthly. Scroll down to the bottom, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click save and email here. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna set up an account, make sure we have that email sent to you. This is a free account. You won't be charged anything. This is just a way to get you that plan, okay? Let's go info@teambizraz.com. Oop, I'm sorry. That would be my email, bizraz.io team. And click on create account. From there, you will be logged into bizraz.io, and the first thing you do is click on email community assist. That'll redirect you to another window. Where this is going to take you is your native email system on your computer. So if that's Google, if that's Microsoft, make sure you have that set, and I'll do a quick tutorial on that as well. But what we can really do from this is we're going to go ahead and we're going to check out the dashboard just to show you where your plan is. Let's go into school. We'll check out BizRise and click on Hank's personal training. What we're going to do from here is check out our community assist. That's going to have your target market laid out, your niche selection, the problems, everything we just generated is going to be there for you to utilize. That's how we're going to start your community for free. If there's a better system or more optimized system to bring you a successful community, show me how to do it. Let's work together. I would love to learn from you, because that's what this community is all about. It's a free educational community to help you get started growing your digital business online, building a community, and then monetizing that for more time, money, and freedom. Join the AI Factory. It's free, and there's a 14-day free trial for you to check it out. Money back guarantee, 14-day free trial. Check it out today, and let's get started building your digital community.